How to use the background remover in NanoBanana.ai. In this video, I'm going to show you or guide you through using the background remover in NanoBanana.ai. Let's get started. First things first, open up your any browser and search for NanoBanana.ai. Then you'll be directed to this type of website. So this is the original website, and also know that it should look something like this. So once you're inside, scroll down to the AI editor section. This is the AI editor section. Now make sure that you have selected the image to image under the prompt engine. It's right over here. Now you can see an option for add image. Tap on it and select your preferred image from your gallery. For example, this one. Tap on done, and when it's uploading, write your prompt right over here. For that, write a prompt like I want you to remove background of this photo. Then once you have finished writing the main prompt, simply tap on the generate now right over here, and NanoBanana will process your request and show the image with the background removed in the output gallery. It's right over here. So that's the process. I wouldn't be able to show you the process because it only provides 2 credits a day, I think, for the free version, and I have already used that, but that's the process. And I hope this video helped. Lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amusing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.